In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward emails to a hosted email address in the Conversations inbox in HubSpot. We'll set up a team email channel that uses a HubSpot hosted forwarding address. This lets messages sent to your usual email address land in the Conversations inbox, where your team can assign, reply, and track everything in one place. Start by opening your browser, heading to your preferred search engine, and typing HubSpot. Click the official HubSpot website and sign in to your account. If you don't see some of the options I'm about to mention, you may need conversations or inbox permissions, so check with your HubSpot admin. Once you're in, go to the settings area by clicking the gear icon at the top of the screen. In the left sidebar, find Inbox and Help Desk. This is where your shared communication channels live and where you control how messages get routed to your team. Inside that section, click Inboxes to view your existing inboxes and add new channels. Next, click Connect a Channel. From the channel options, choose Team Email. A team email is a shared address your entire team can use, so replies and assignments are visible to everyone with access to the inbox, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. When prompted for how you want to connect, select Other Mail Account. This option sets up a HubSpot-hosted forwarding address instead of directly integrating your mailbox. It's ideal when you prefer to keep your mail provider as is and simply forward copies of messages into HubSpot. You'll now choose the From name that recipients will see on replies sent from the inbox. Pick something clear and recognizable, such as your company or support team name, so customers immediately know who's writing back. Consistency here helps prevent confusion and improves open rates. Continue by clicking Next, and then click Next again to move through the brief configuration screens. You can keep defaults for now and fine-tune routing rules, ticket creation, and auto-reply settings later once forwarding is working. Finish by selecting Connect and Finish. HubSpot will create and display a unique hosted forwarding address for this inbox. This is the address you'll use in your email provider's forwarding settings. Copy it and keep it handy. After you add that forwarding rule in your provider, new messages sent to your usual address will appear in the Conversations inbox, preserving the original sender so you can reply as your team. To confirm everything's set, send a quick test email to your regular address and check that it shows up in the inbox. If it doesn't, review your provider's forwarding rule. Make sure forwarding includes all messages, and verify any spam or filtering settings. Once the test lands in HubSpot, you're ready to collaborate, assign conversations, and respond faster as a team.